Hi to all. Once again, welcome back to Avis and Kitchen. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to make sweet dish carrot burfi in Hamare style. Wow! Look at this. It looks so yummy. You feel like to eat? Then I will tell you how to do it. So let's start. First take grated carrot. You can see all are in uniform size and really fresh. Now take a pan and add some ghee. Now add our grated carrot. And mix it nicely so that all ghee get absorbed in the carrots. Use low to medium flame for this. Toss it for 2 minutes. Now cover with a lid. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes on low to medium flame. Now open it. And mix it well. Now add 2 to 3 cups of milk. Mix it thoroughly. Now cover with a lid. Let it cook for 2 more minutes. Now open it. Mix it. Milk powder. Mix it nicely. Add condensed milk. This is optional. Now mix it nicely. for sweetness. Mix it nicely. Now again cover with a lid and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes on low to medium flame. Now open it. You can see nice texture came. Mix it well. And add food color. Here I am adding red color. Now mix it continuously until it becomes thick paste. You have to keep on mixing to avoid lumps. Wow! You can see it became thick paste. Now take one grease plate and put our thick carrot paste into it and spread it uniformly. Wow, look at it. It looks so nice. Now put eatable silver foil or work on it. It is easily available in general stores or sweet shops. Now let it get cool at room temperature. Beautiful. Now cut this carrot burfi in desired shape. I'm cutting in a square shape. And here is our sweet red carrot burfi. It's ready. It looks so awesome, delicious. I'm loving it. If you want to eat this carrot burfi, then make it fast and tell us your feedback in a comment box. If you liked our recipe, do like our video and subscribe to our channel. not forget to press the bell icon for the new notifications. Thank you.